Today we're going to do everyone's favorite, elephant toothpaste. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Ariana knows. Ariana knows. Ariana knows. Ariana knows. There's so much she can show us, so come right in. Ariana knows is about to begin.
I'm excited to have my first guest on this show. I'd like to introduce Kristen. Hi, Kristen.
Hi, Ariana.
Are you excited to make elephant toothpaste?
I've seen it on YouTube, but I'm really excited to try it.
Let's measure some nitrogen peroxide. We need 120 milliliters. Do you know how to measure it with a measuring cylinder?
Yes.
That looks great, Kristen. Are you ready to mix the catalyst?
Yes.
We have more water. Can you measure out 50 milliliters?
No problem.
Great, Kristen. Now we have to add a pack of yeast and stir with a glass rod. The elephant toothpaste needs about 60 milliliters of this soap, and we also need our favorite food coloring. Let's do it. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go. Mine came out pink, and I love it. It's cool. And I really like it. Just my gloves are touching.
Wow, that was so much fun. That was the coolest experience I ever did.
I have a surprise. Let's make it even bigger.
Bigger?
Yeah, let's do it. I already put it in the flasks.
Is it a different catalyst?
It sure is. It's to be even bigger. Let's put our soap in. Safety first. Let's put goggles on. Would you like to do the countdown?
Yes. 3, 2, 1.
Wow, that's awesome. I like mine.
Wow, that was so much fun. Can we make it even bigger?
Yes, but we have to do it outside.
Wow.
Let's get started.
Three, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Thank you, Kristen, for being on my show.
You're welcome. I had a good time. Bye.
Wow, Elephant Toothpaste was awesome. I'm glad Kristen came today. We learned a lot. And remember, Ariana knows and now you do too.